Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class, Standard 6, lesson number 2, Electricity. Last class, we have to learn about the introduction, sources of electricity, the conversation between the Selvan and the engineer about the electricity, then sources of electricity and the power stations. Yes, student? Yes, good. What are the sources of electricity? Yes, solar cell, windmill, atomic power station, thermal power stations, hydel power stations. Very good. Next, where is the power stations are situated? Yes, thermal station, Neyveli in Kadalur district, Hydel power station in Mettur Salem district, Papanasam in Tirunelveli district, atomic power station Kalpakam in Kanjipuram district. There are four types of power stations. What are they? First one thermal power station, second one hydel power station, third one atomic power station, and the fourth one windmills. These are the four power stations are present. Okay, very good, student. Okay, next we will move about the next topic. The topic is cell. What is cell? In chemistry, a cell, a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. Cell means the chemical energy convert into electrical energy. It is called a cell. Yes, a chemical solution which produce negative and positive ion is used as electrolyte. Yeah, you know the batteries. Uh, what are the uses of batteries? Used in wall clock or watches, some remote cars, etc. Yes, you know the battery. The two sides are worked in batteries. The one side is positive and the next side is negative side. One is positive ion and another one is negative ion. Two different metal plates are inserted into a electrolyte. Inside the battery, two metal plates, it is inside the electrolyte as electrode to form a cell. Due to chemical reaction, one electrode get positive charge and the other get negative charge, producing a continuous flow of electric current. Yes, in the battery, two plates are inserted into the electrolyte. It is called as a electrodes. This electrode get a positive charge and get negative charge to produce a continuous flow of electric current. It is called a cell. Depending on the continuity of flow of electric current, cells are classified in two types. These current cells are classified into two types. The first one, primary cell. The primary cells are not can be recharged, so they can be used only once. Hence, the primary cells are usually produced in small size. You know the clocks, watches, and toys. How they work? It is worked with the help of battery. We use the battery inside the watches, clocks, or toys. Then it will be work. These are called the primary cells. Yeah, see the picture. More batteries are there. These are called primary cells. It cannot be recharged. They are used in only one time. After it is not in used. Next one, secondary cell. Secondary cell, a cell that can be recharged many times is called a secondary cell. The primary cell, it cannot be recharged. It is a primary cell. The secondary cell can be reached many times. It is called a secondary cell. You know the difference between the primary and the second cell, student? Okay, these cells can be recharged by passing electric current, so they can be used again and again. These size of the secondary cells can be small or even large depending upon the usage. While the secondary cells used in mobile or in the size of a hand, the cells used in automobile like cars and buses are large and very heavy. Yes, the secondary cells are can be recharged and it is used in mobiles, then used in automobile like cars and buses. Large and buses are large and very heavy. See the picture, these are the secondary cells. It can be reached many times, recharged in many times. Next one, for examples of secondary cells: mobile phone, laptops, emergency lamps and vehicle batteries. Next one, see the activity 2 from the following pictures. Identify those use primary cells and secondary cell. Mark primary cell as P and secondary cell as S. Yeah, do you know the which is primary cell and which is the secondary cell, student? Yes, you put which one is the primary cell, you put P on this box. Which one is the secondary cell, you put S on this box. Okay, activity 2. The next topic is battery. Often we call cells as batteries. However, only when two or more cells are combined together they make a battery. A single cell is a single unit that converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and a battery is a collection of cells. This is the definition of battery. A battery is a collection of cells. Okay, now I stopped the lesson in the topic battery.